We have just arrived in Tobermory and we thought, come along and spend the day with us. We want to explore a bit of Tobermory, but also we've got quite a few van chores to do, so we better get started. The sun is just rising. How beautiful does it look? The reason why we came here so early in the morning is because I think it gets quite busy, the town or village centre, and where we're parking here is right at the harbour, and I don't think you can park here overnight. So we said, right, okay, we'll stay somewhere else and then come here really early in the morning and spend the day here. How handy is that? Just at the distillery. The shop is supposed to have some really lovely local produce, so hopefully we can get there when it's open. Also, the reason why we're here primarily is because we need to, get our chores done. We're basically halfway through our Mull trip. Need to shower, get our laundry done, things like that. We're not prepared at all. We don't have even our laundry detergent with us. Get some messages before we do laundry. So there was a ton of reduced food, right? Honestly, it was overflowing, Ian. You should go there. Because I thought, oh gosh, I can't. It's so different to Glasgow. Everything is already long gone. But yeah, I can see how it can get really busy here. That's why I also got the bottle of water already, because they only had 3 left. And I thought, right, I'd rather get it now than chance it. So we've noticed that although there are so many campers and motorhomes on Mull, even in the winter time during off season, there aren't really many facilities to get rid of your grey waste or black water or something like that. So if you know any spots, then let us know. We have seen some campsites offering it for, let's say, £12–13, but then
quite expensive.
Yeah, it's quite expensive. And I'll be honest, if we pay 12 or 13 quid for that, then might as well just then stay there. How good does it feel when you've got all your chores done?
I know, I feel a lot cleaner as well. There's been no thaw here because the sun is literally getting blocked with a big hill there. So it's freezing on this side. But over there it's a lot sunnier, right?
I know. Doesn't it look lovely? There's actually a ferry here from Tobermory to the mainland. Did you know that?
Is there?
Yep.
How regularly does it run, do you know?
I think it's pretty regular, but I don't know about like the time of year when we're here. There is a limited timetable going on, but it's also much faster, much shorter, the ferry. So, first stop is the Tobermory Distillery. Yes. Ian, the visitor centre's here. They really have some lovely wee shops. Tobermory is really nice.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful.
This is where Celebrate Hogmanay, or where the main event is. Hogmanay dance, yeah, £10 entry, under 16s free.
DJ Ted.
Please let us know how you celebrate Hogmanay. Well, because I go to bed so early, I'm mostly Mr. Bells. But this time I need to stay awake. Ian will kill me if I don't. There's free entry for the Mull Museum, but it only opens between March and October. Do you think we can walk up here?
That way?
I think we need to walk back, yeah.
What time is it? Spent too much time talking.
I know. Yapper. Anyway, gonna head back to the van so that we can walk to the lighthouse tomorrow. Or there's also another coastal path that I've seen. Might do that, depending on how many steps we actually still need to get in. Back in the van, got these two. One is the normal gin. They only have one gin.
So I managed to get the 21-year-old single malt. The guy in the shop recommended it because I told him that I liked like rums and like bourbon whiskey, and also a couple of the whiskies I've tried that are quite sweet have been nice. I'm not into peaty whiskies. Maybe that'll come with time and age as I mature. It was £16 for the miniature, and Joanna kindly paid it, so she freaked out a wee bit.
Yeah, I said it's on me too quickly. Right, do you want to do a wee taste test?
But
this
also
still smells a bit of coffee.
Does it?
So you're getting a true connoisseur taste test from us.
It's nice, but I also feel a wee bit of pressure because the guy said to me, if you don't like that one, then you just don't like whiskey.
Do you get a wee whiff of coffee as well?
No, actually no coffee.
Might be the percentage. Feels like it's burning off my lips. Sorry.
Can you taste any of
But
that?
it's lovely.
But it's lovely. No, but can you taste any of the elderflower tea and wild, what was it?
Wild heather.
I smell the juniper. That's like quite a strong smell.
That's what gin is made of, Ian.
I know that.
Oh, it's actually nice.
Do you like it?
Sorry, I always make a face like that. Always, even when I drink coffee. But I love coffee. It's actually really nice. So when we came, we actually saw a tour that was just ending. They offered distillery tours, tastings, everything.
The guy that was in there at the time was extremely friendly and not extremely knowledgeable, of course, like about the whiskies. And I mean, I think he put us down the right direction, because you're not somebody that generally likes whiskey at all.
No, but this is like really nice actually.
It's quite sweet, isn't it?
Yeah, but don't even think about getting a bottle.
I know. Christmas time.
Christmas is over. You better wait another year.
Can you tell the Joanna's been cooking? No, I'm joking.
Excuse me.
I'm joking. It looks lovely.
Yeah, right. Yours was like complete beige.
Mine is really bad.
Our plan for tomorrow is to see more of Tobermory. Fingers crossed the weather is just as good as it has been today. It's another day in Tobermory, and we thought we'd come back to explore a little bit more, because yesterday we didn't get to see that much. This time we're parked outside of the pub, so found a different parking spot just for a few hours, and then we'll be away again. This morning though, it's only you and I. We're off to the lighthouse. Ian has some chores to do, but hopefully he should join us later this afternoon. It's only 9:30, but it's still pretty dark because it's cloudier than yesterday, I would say. But Tobermory is just as pretty compared to yesterday when the sun was shining all day. Hopefully it doesn't rain today. It did say, the weather forecast, that it's supposed to rain, so we didn't want to wait for Ian. I didn't want to wait for Ian to finish his chores and just walk to the lighthouse, make sure that we can see that at least. sea is deceivingly calm, and I thought, oh, maybe we could do some wildlife spotting. Many people come here for seeing, I think, whales and all sorts of wildlife, but I don't have my glasses on and forgot my contacts. You might see something on the camera that I haven't spotted. I wonder if this ferry is actually the Barra one. It doesn't look as if it's going to Tobermory. And when you take the ferry from Oban to Barra, you pass Mull. We'll go down to the viewpoint first. It looks absolutely fantastic. On the spot much loved and frequented by him, this memorial is erected by his many friends in memory of Robert John Brown of Stronsall, who died on the 18th of January 1936.
Yeah, that's incoming. Yeah.
Oh, thank you very
Yeah,
much.
keep your eyes open.
How lovely was the woman? Honestly, she stopped me. I mean, I'm half deaf, it feels like, and I never expect someone to talk to me. But she said, excuse me," and I thought, oh, does she mean me? It was only me on the path. And she said, "Have you seen the dolphins?" And I just said, like, "No, I don't have my glasses on." She was so kind. She showed me where they are, and I did see a wee glimpse of them. The lighthouse is one of over 200 that are located around Scotland's wild coastline. It's operated and maintained by the Northern Lighthouse Board. Right, we're going to head back to the van. I'm picking Ian up. Look who's back with us.
Hello.
Hello.
It's not as nice today, is it?
No. Oh, you're joking. People are swimming?
Where? What
There.
the hell?
Yeah, it's definitely warmer, but it's not let's go swimming weather, at least not
Oh
for
yeah, I
us.
think they've been, yeah.
Aye.
We've got our swimming stuff with us.
We did, but that was more for the community pool, but it's closed just now.
It's amazing. Was it a s'more brownie?
S'mores brownie. Got the chocolate tiffin.
That was great, thank you. Thank you very much.
That was lovely.
It was. The s'mores brownie. That's amazing. It's very, very sweet though. So if you're like me and you have a mega sweet tooth, then it's right up your street.
Right, our next stop. Hopefully it's not closed because it's Hogmanay, but it does say it's open until 4. Ian is absolutely buzzing about it. We're going
Well, you
to...
love cheese as well.
Yeah. I've already spoiled it. We're going to the Isle of Mull cheese farm shop. Now they also have a cafe, and if you're somewhere on social media, then 100% you've seen it, because we've visited 2 years ago. We can maybe show you a few photos from that.
Oh, yeah.
It looks absolutely like it's a lovely cafe.
Show how steep it is.
Yeah, we're not
can walk.
exaggerating.
At least it'll be easy going back.
I know. As long as it's not suddenly icy when the sun goes down.
I hope we're not walking back when the sun's going down.
Oh, that's true.
Oh look, cheese presses.
Oh yeah, it's also good that we've already eaten, I think.
Do you think we'll be better off?
Yeah. We tend to buy like a lot in these places, but...
Do
Huh?
we? Do we?
Yeah. I think even the farm shop is pretty busy.
Apparently we're supposed to be getting some really bad weather in Scotland, like first, second of January. I don't think it'll affect Glasgow.
No,
But,
might our ferry
well, that's Hamlin.
affect our ferry. We've been lucky so far, so let's keep our fingers crossed. Oh no, the farm shop is closed. It's closed.
Could have been worse. We could have got all the way up there and then noticed it was closed.
I know,
You'll at least get to see some nice pictures of when we last visited here.
exactly.
We don't have any of the farm shop, I don't think, but we have some of the cafe.
Yeah,
And we'll just remember those memories as well, as if we're sitting in there on that warm summer's day. Because it's absolutely freezing.
yeah. So, poor soul, that was actually the actual thing Ian wanted to join us on.
Yeah.
Anyway, because the website, look, if anyone in the comments are saying now, oh, Joanna, you didn't.
Did the website say it was open?
It said it's open,
But
they
it didn't specify.
It didn't specify the
yeah.
dates, so yeah. Anyway, thank you very much for joining us on our wee trip to Tobermory during the off season.
Yeah.
What do you think about it?
I think it was great. And I hope when you visit here, it's open for you. And
Yeah.
you can let us know how it was.
Exactly, we want to see those photos. Thanks so much for joining us. See you Saturday. Bye.